world will be. It is. Over to you, Mrs. Julia Molly.
Well, Miss World 2025 is Thailand.
Christina, the question leaves me on a second position.
Opal Sajata from Thailand is the 72nd Miss World.
OMG mga kasabibi! So si Opal nga po, si Miss World Thailand is Miss World 2025. Oh, OMG! You know, I made a video for a while and I was already uploaded that, you know, I feel it that Miss Thailand, Miss World 2025 will be the next Miss World 2025. So she made it. I'm so proud of you, Miss Opal. I know that you did very well. You're very hardworking. You know, a lot of things that happened to you, the struggle time, and you know, you make it probes that you know will be the next Miss World 2025. And of course, tinabi mo, di ba, na inumpisahan ko to, tapusin ko to. And yun na nga, nagkatotoo, nagka-align yung star sa'yo. And of course, I'm very proud to Miss Philippines, Miss World Philippines 2025, Chris Nagravelis. You made it, girl. I know that, you know, there's a more achievement and there is a will be crown that really fitted on you. And I hope that you will joining in Miss Universe. Oh, 2026. OMG. I felt so, you know, speechless kasi nga, 'di ba? Nagkaka-upload ko lang talaga mga ka-habibi, and of course I'm